Hey everyone, Rudy here with Siser. Today I am super excited because we are talking about a very unique product. Actually could be one of the coolest products we have ever launched here at Siser. Stay tuned. Today we're going to talk all about our brand new Chroma Sun. So what makes Chroma Sun so cool and so unique? Well, very simply put, it's a photochromatic material that will change colors once exposed to any type of UV light, just like the sun or even a UV flashlight. Pretty cool, right? Now, come on closer and I'm going to show you exactly how this product works. Additionally to the awesome color-changing material, this product is super easy to cut and super easy to weed, just like any of our other products in our Easy Weed range, as you can see here. Now, the other cool thing about this product, you can actually use the weeding trick by heating up the bottom platen of your heat press for a few seconds to make this process even smoother and faster. But there it is. Look how easy, fast that was. All right, as always, we're going to do a pre-press of the garment for 2 to 3 seconds, removing any wrinkles or moisture. And now we're ready for the application. So we have our transfer. Let's place this right on the garment. Perfect. And we apply. The application instructions are 150 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. There we go. Now we can remove the carrier while hot. And there you have it. Super fast, super easy. Now let's have some fun. All right, so we're outside, sun is out. Let's watch the magic happen. Pretty cool, huh? And that's it, guys. That is Chroma Sun. Super easy to cut, weed, and apply. If you guys have any additional questions, check out our website, Siser.com, where you can find additional information regarding this product, technical data sheets, and the full color range. Thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day. Ciao.